Homonyms. Words, each of two or more words having the same spelling or pronunciation but different meanings and origins. Address. As a noun, the particulars of the place where someone lives or an organization is situated. As a verb, to speak to or communicate with someone. Band. As a noun, a group of musicians who play music together. As a noun, a ring or loop that holds things together. Mean. As a noun, to intend to convey or refer to a particular thing. As an adjective, unkind or spiteful. Right. As an adjective, correct or true. As a noun, a moral or legal entitlement. Date. As a noun, the day of the month or year as specified by a number. As a noun, a social or romantic appointment or engagement. Letter. As a noun, a written, typed, or printed communication, sent in an envelope by post or messenger. As a noun, a character representing one or more of the sounds used in speech, any of the alphabetic characters. Park. As a noun, a large public green area in a town, used for recreation. As a verb, to position a vehicle in a location for a period of time. Point. As a noun, a particular spot, place, or position in an area or on a map. As a verb, to direct someone's attention towards something by extending one's finger or an object. Ruler. As a noun, a person exercising government or dominion. As a noun, an instrument used to measure distances or to draw straight lines. Left. As an adjective, on, toward, or relating to the side of a human body or of a thing that is to the west when the person or thing is facing north. As a verb, past tense and past participle of leave.